My name is Philip Wixon, and in my role as Chief Operating Officer and Head of HR Advisory for Rolling Arrays, I've been fortunate enough to chat with a number of interesting people across the region to capture their experiences. Rolling Stories is a video podcast series that seeks to share experiences and learnings from across the professional spectrum, including leadership challenges, career wisdom, and broadly human resource management issues. I hope you enjoy the ongoing publication of these talks. Follow Rolling Stories with the link in the description below, and I look forward to sharing the first episode with you.